This is what I learned from my mother when she is still alive, making business. As long as came from your hardship. So that's what I learned from my mother. So guys, if you are looking for a Filipino, you need to look for someone like me. No, I'm not telling, but what I'm trying to say is that find a Filipina that can survive if you have lots of money or no money already. She can survive, she can do something, she can think of something that will make you survive both.